Okay, let's see. You guys ready? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm SeebieDeebie, and if you're new here, I do reviews and unboxings and everything in between. But today we are going to be trying out, what is this? Eyebrow tattoos. Like, are you serious? These are literally like kitty tattoos that you would place on your arm or, you know, just somewhere. Like play tattoos, but for your eyebrows. So you're probably wondering where I found this, right? Of course, none other than Amazon. I was on Amazon, I was just like browsing through a whole bunch of stuff, and all of a sudden I saw this, like tattoos for your eyebrows. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to try this. So today we are going to be doing first impression of these brand new tattoo eyebrows. Like literally, you put them on your eyebrow. So they come in 2 packs like this, and I'll link everything down below if you guys are interested about, you know, which ones I got and stuff like that. But there's like different styles, all kind of different styles. You can choose whichever style you want. I just chose these because they seemed, I guess, the most regular. I don't know how you say it. But yeah, so I just have a few things here prepared, like some paper towels and water here so I can wet my paper towel, and some scissors here so I can cut these and place them on my eyebrows. Now, I'm guessing like placing them is pretty important because you put them on like crooked, you have crooked eyebrows. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna start off by cutting them. And yeah, for some reason they have like eyebrows on the back and in the front, but this is just like a drawing. So the actual eyebrows tattoo is actually up here. So it just kind of peels like that, just like regular tattoos that you will buy, fake tattoos that you will buy. So I'm just gonna cut one off. Well, not one. I'm gonna cut a pair off, as you can see here. And this is kind of tricky. Okay, so I think this is the style that I got. Is E14, and I'm wondering if I can just like shut up. Oh my god. Okay, my mirror's down here, so if I'm looking down there, you know my mirror's down there, okay? And if you guys see that little boo-boo on my chin, I just tried shaving my face for the first time with those little eyebrow razors, and yeah, it didn't work out for me. I just cut myself. I think I could literally put this whole strap, I don't know. I could literally put this whole thing on my eyebrow like this. Oh my gosh, you know what? It's not even the same shape as my eyebrows. What the hell? So I'm gonna have to think about this because my eyebrows go up and this goes right straight across. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this in half. And you gotta be careful because there's like, you know, little baby hairs up there. So, so you gotta be careful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my paper towel. I wonder how long these things last. Is it gonna be shiny on my eyebrow? Okay, got my paper towel damp. Okay, I see why they have that back part now, because then you can align it with your own eyebrow. All right, girls. I'm just gonna put it on there, and whatever happens, happens. I think I need to get this more wet. Here we go. We're about to find out what happens here. And it has no instructions. Okay, so I'm guessing you just have a towel on hand too. So I'm guessing you just kind of do what you do, like with any kind of fake tattoo. Just wet it and, I don't know, set it, wet it and set it. Oh my God, I think I did this so wrong. Okay, let's see. You guys ready? What the hell? It is way up here. Okay, let's try this other side. Look how shiny it is. Do you guys see how shiny? Who is gonna go around like that? My eyebrows feel like they have a sticker over them or something. I feel so weird. I can't even move my eyebrows. Seriously, look at that. Oh my God. Okay, let's try this other side. Do I have it on the right side? Yeah. And obviously I messed up right there. You guys can see that little spot? I messed up, but it's okay because I got like so many more eyebrows left. I got 2 sheets of these. Maybe I'll put this side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How am I counting? I don't have to count. And should I take it off now? Okay, let's see. What the hell? I got the freaking sticker model number on my face. Okay, I was saying this side turned out a little bit better than this side. Like, let me zoom in. Oh my gosh, look how shiny my eyebrows are. And I got the freaking model number on me. Now let's try to get the model number off my face. I got boo-boo there too, as you guys can see there. The little red spot. Just stuff what happens when you try to clean your eyebrows up for eyebrow tutorial like this. It just doesn't work out. I can't, okay. Thank goodness it comes off easy. Do you guys see how shiny this is? Like, would you go around with shiny ass eyebrows like this? Oh my gosh, you guys gotta listen how crispy this sounds. Hold on. Okay, you guys listen, ready? It feels like sushi paper. That's what it feels like. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna have to put powder over it and see what it does. Let me see here. I have my powder here and I'm just gonna take some, put it over our eyebrows. Oh yeah, let's go. To make it less shiny. It doesn't look like it's working. Okay, yeah, it still looks shiny to me. So it is not working. I'm not sure how long these eyebrows are supposed to last, but I don't think they're gonna last me too long. As you can see here, they are already peeling. Honey, honey, don't do that. Okay, look, this is not cool. All right, so yeah, this didn't work out too well, okay? So let's see how easily they come off. Okay, so I have some cotton round here and I'm just gonna put some mascara remover. That's all I have right now, okay? So let's see if it comes off pretty easily. Like, how bad did I, look at that. I got 2 eyebrow tails. Maybe that's the new, that could be the new thing. Having 2 different styles eyebrows on your face. Let's see how easily this comes off. Okay, it's not too bad. Like, definitely feels like snake skin here. All right, there we go. We got a whole strip off right there. All right, it comes off pretty easy. Maybe. All right, and let's do the other side. Take off this, oh my God, this side. This side is interesting. It's like pulling off dead skin. That's what it's like. It's like when you're sunburnt and you have all that skin on you. That's what it kind of feels like. All right, just go ahead and take the rest of this stuff off. I think I paid like $12 for this stuff. $12. Do I think it was worth $12? Nah, definitely not. Okay, so that concludes it. This stuff is a no, unless you want super shiny eyebrows that don't match your eyebrows. Well, I guess you could buy the style that matches your eyebrows, but definitely a no for me. That was $12. That was interestingly spent. So would I recommend it? if you want shiny eyebrows, I guess you can get it. But it was fun to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, please like and subscribe for more videos just like this.